Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and using your time wisely. Today we are going to do a very interesting topic of writing skill, that is picture composition. What is picture composition? A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture or set of pictures. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a story or composition having meaningful sentences. Before we begin to do picture composition, we need to carefully observe the picture. We ask questions to note down the answers or observation to these questions. We need to arrange the observation as points in a logical order. These points will help us write meaningful sentences to form a composition. We also need to write a title to the composition based on the main theme of the picture. Must begin the paragraph away from the margin. Now let us begin to write sentences based on the given picture. We can see there are many elements in this picture. To understand the picture in detail, let us prepare a question-answer list. For that, the first question is, what is happening in the picture? Yes, the children are celebrating a birthday party. Next question is, whose party is it? It is Kyra's birthday party. Kyra is the name of a girl. How many candles are there on the cake? There are 7 candles on the cake. What is mother doing? The mother is helping Kyra hold the knife. What are children doing? The children are dancing. How many gifts are seen on the table? There are 3 gifts on the table. These questions and answers help us to describe the picture in detail. Using these points, we can now write a composition of 7 to 8 sentences. Let's begin by giving title to our composition. We can give it a title, Kyra's birthday party. We can begin writing by starting a little away from the margin. Kyra is celebrating her birthday. She is cutting a pink strawberry cake. There are 7 candles on the cake. Kyra's friends are dancing. Mother is helping Kyra to hold the knife. There are 3 birthday gifts on the table. The room is beautifully decorated. The children are having lots of fun on Kyra's birthday party. That is easy, wasn't it? We have written a composition based on various elements within the picture. Now, what did I learn today? Let's recapitulate quickly. Picture composition is an exercise where you describe a picture by writing meaningful sentences on it. Thus, picture composition involves writing a few meaningful sentences or a paragraph on a given picture. It allows you to frame sentences and form stories on your own. Before you begin writing a composition, observe the picture carefully. Then you can ask questions and note down the answers or observation to these questions. Then arrange the observations as points in a logical order. These points help in writing meaningful sentences. The next step is to write a title to the composition based on the main theme of the picture. Always begin the paragraph away from the margin. So children, I hope with this presentation you learn to describe and compose sentences on the given picture. Now practice in picture composition worksheet and file it in the folder. Thank you and have a nice day.